Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it is a Ford Grand C-Max 2013 on 13 plate. It is a 1.6 diesel Zetec, so it's like the mid-range spec model. Very nice car, extremely clean, good service history, drives really well. It's done 115,000 miles. And these are a good all-rounder. Not an overly big 7-seater, but for the kids they're fine. And they do all fold down, these back seats. I've got some pictures on the advert on the website that shows it with the seats up and the seats down and the back. It's all nice and clean inside as well. So you've got DAB radio, you've got USB, Bluetooth streaming. It is a nice spec car. 116,466 miles as we do the video today. Front and back electric windows, electric mirrors, so it's got some spec on it. More pictures on the website, rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give me a call 07868 722 133.